name is Eric Jobenfi Fikwesi. I am representing by all means. I'm in class 6.
Thank you so much. Yes, next.
My name is Christopher Ifa Kennedy. I am representing by all means. I am in Basic 6.
All right. Thank you so much. So, tell us, your people are here, students are here, your teachers are here. Tell us something. One thing can be a word, a phrase, a clause, everything, anything.
Every day with God is every day in victory. We are here to put smile on the face of our headmaster, Sir Confidence, our teachers, parents, and our colleagues.
All right. Thank you so much. All right, so straight to Kwabre Montessori School. You mentioned your name, your class.
My name is Randina Techidapa. I'm in class 6.
Thank you.
My name is Yawasaya Ponsa. I am in Basic 5.
All right, thank you. So, Kwabre, your headmaster is here. All right, good. The parents are watching from the house. Tell them one thing or anything.
I'll tell my teachers and aunties that we are here for excellence, not excuses.
We are here for excellence and not excuses. Thank you so much, Kwabre. My beautiful ladies, yes, Emmanuel Royal. Mention your name in class.
My name is Anna Neboy Margaret. I am in BX6.
All right, yes, you.
My name is Philomena Jamina. I am in BS6.
All right, so Emmanuel Royal, tell us something.
Emmanuel, God is with us, and we know that God will still be with us today.
Very well. So God has been with you from the audition so God has been with you guys from the prelim stages to this point. So God is not going to disappoint you guys, right? All right. So you're welcome once again. This is the Kwabre Science and Math quiz. We are the quarterfinal stages. Day 1, contest 1. Listen, please. All teachers should be here, except that we don't have contest. So it's teachers from schools that are having contest now. So if you're a teacher from, by all means, if you're a teacher from Kwabre, for a teacher from Emmanuel Royal, please kindly go and take your seat over there. Let's do justice to that so that everything will be fine for us all. All right, so we have sets of questions here for transparency's sake. As we told you the last time, we have some set of questions, 7 sets of questions. So I'll randomly pick any student here. Then we come and then randomly pick one of the questions, and then we will use that set of questions for your contests. I hope it's clear. But before that, for you teachers to know that really is a question, a set of questions, kindly come around and check. A teacher, a facilitator from, by all means, a facilitator from Kwabre and a facilitator from Emmanuel Royal, please come there and check. These are the set of questions. Please come. One facilitator from, by all means, Kwabre, Emmanuel Royal, please come and check. So there are 7 sets of questions here. For transparency's sake, that is why we are doing this. So henceforth from now, we are going to be doing this. So these are the set of questions. You can hold it, touch it, feel it to know that it's heavy, right? Uh-huh. So there is nothing written on like contest 1, contest 2, neither. All right. So you're okay now. You can kindly have your seats. So you can kindly have your seats here. Now, I'll call one student from Future Child Academy. One student from Future Child Academy should come. All right, thank you, gentlemen. Hurry up. So pick any of the questions on the table. Pick and bring it. All right, thank you so much. All right, so these are the questions. Very, very interesting. It's very difficult, but don't lose hope, right? You can do it. It's your standard, and I hope and I know that you can do it, right? Very well. Let me say this before you proceed. Now, those using the hand microphone, like the two, if you are speaking through the microphone, your teachers here want to listen to the answer, hear the answer. So speak loud, boldly, confident. Hold the microphone like this. Get close to it and speak through it. I hope it's clear. Very well. Now to you, Emmanuel Royal, you're using this. This you can turn around left and right, up and down. So what you do is, if you want to talk, just hold it, turn it to your heart, the position of your mouth, then get close to it. Speak boldly to it for everyone to hear. Now listen, if you do not speak through the microphone, and if I do not get the answer, I'll give you 0. I've been telling you this from prelim stages to now, so you should know these things. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much. Now, say hi. Speak to the microphone. Say hi. Let me see. Let me hear.
Hi.
Hi. Very well. Press your bell. All right. Grab bell. Say hi.
Hi.
Very well. Press your bell. All right. Emmanuel, say hi.
Hi.
All right. Now press your bell. All right, so now everything is working now. Now we proceed. Please be quiet, be silent. Only cheer up if they had it correct or wrong. Now, at this stage, the quarterfinal stage, we have 4 interesting rounds. 4 interesting rounds. Round 1 is fundamentals, a blend of science and maths. Round 2, we have speed race. So for round 1, we have 24 questions. Round 2, we have 12 questions, speed race. Round 3, that is the problem of the day. And then round 4 is true or false. So I'll give you the rules for round 1, and when you get to round 2 or each other round, I'll give you the rules. I hope it's clear. So listen. So under the round 1, which is fundamentals, we have 24 questions, 12 from science, 12 from maths. You have 15 seconds, 1 attempt, 2 attempts, 15 seconds. 2 attempts in 15 seconds. And then there is no bonus here. Each set of questions has its own rules. So when I get there, I'll give you the rules, the time. I hope it's clear. Very well. Teachers, are you clear? Now we proceed. Your major question, by all means. So set 1, we have 3 sets of questions. We have 1 attempt, no bonus. 1 attempt, no bonus. One attempt, no bonus. You have 15 seconds. By all means. Preamble to all schools. You are to identify the state of matter of the following substances or material. Preamble to all schools. You are to identify the state of matter of the following substances or materials? By all means, A.
Gas.
Gas is correct. Quarabels, palm oil.
Liquid.
Liquid is correct. Emmanuel Royal, alcohol.
Liquid.
And that is correct. Back to you. By all means. Preamble to all schools. State the group of animals. State groups of animals the following animals are classified under. So I'm going to give you the animal, then you tell me the classification of that animal, right? By all means, frog.
Amphibian.
And that is correct. Emmanuel Royal, rabbit. Rabbit. Crabbles.
Mammals.
Mammals is correct. Emmanuel Royal, bee. Bee.
Insect.
Insect is correct. Another set of questions here. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Preamble to all schools. You are to arrange the following ratios in ascending order or descending order of magnitude. You are to arrange the following ratios in ascending order or descending order of magnitude. 30 seconds. By all means. 1:2, 2:3, and 3:4. In ascending order. 1:2, 2:3, and 3:4. In ascending order.
One is to 2, 2:3, and 3:4.
And that is correct. Crabbles. 1:3, 2:5, and 4:15 in descending order of magnitude. 1:3, 2:5, and 4:15 in descending order.
4:15. 2:5. 1:3.
No. You have another attempt. The time is up. Bonus. Emmanuel Royal.
2:5. 1:3. 4:15.
And that is plus 1. Reserve it if we run that. Come. By all means. No, your major question, right? That was a bonus. Now your major question. Now listen. 3:8, 2:5, 2:4, and 1:4 in descending order. 3:8, 2:4, and 1:4 in descending order.
2:4. 3:8. 1:4.
And that is correct. Another set of questions. 30 seconds to attempt. There is a bonus. There are some set of questions there will not be bonus, but there are some set of questions there will be bonus. So listen and understand. So here there is a bonus. Preamble to all schools. By all means, I'll start with you. By preamble to all schools. You are to simplify the following expressions. Simplify the following expressions. By all means, 4ab plus 3ab squared minus 2a cubed minus 5ab squared. 4ab plus 3ab squared minus 2a cubed minus 5a squared. The time is up. Bonus. Any idea? All right. So to simplify this expression, we have 4ab minus 2ab squared minus 2a cubed, or 4ab minus 2a squared, 2a cubed minus 2ab squared, or negative 2ab squared minus 2a cubed plus 4ab. Now, Emmanuel Royal, 3q minus p plus 3p minus 5q. Kwabre, 3q minus p plus 3p minus 5q.
Negative 2k plus 2p.
Negative 2k plus 2p is correct. Speak to the microphone. Emmanuel Royal, 3x squared plus 4y minus x squared plus y. 3x squared plus 4y minus x squared plus y.
Five y minus 2s squared.
5y minus 2s squared. Wrong. Time is bonus. All right, so 2x squared plus 5y. 2x squared plus 5y. Another set of questions, 15 seconds. There is a bonus. By all means, the organ that filters blood to remove waste is called
The kidney.
the kidney is correct. Emmanuel Kwabre, the removal of waste products from the body is called,
Excretion.
and that is correct. Emmanuel Royal, the waste product formed when protein are broken down is called
Urea.
urea is correct. Another set of questions, 30 seconds. There is a bonus. Preamble to all schools, you have to multiply the following numbers. You are to multiply the following numbers. By all means, 606 by 12. 606 by 12. Yes. The time is a bonus. Emmanuel Royal.
7,272.
And that is plus 1. Coral bells, we have 56 by 23. 56 by 23.
$1,288.
And that is correct. Emmanuel Royal, you have 190 by 15. 190 by 15.
$1,140.
1,140 is wrong.
2,850.
And that is correct. That is the end of round 1. Any substitution? We are moving on to round 2, and that is speed race. We are waiting for our score master, but listen to the rules here. I will take it again. Under the speed race, we have 12 questions. 3 points when contestant gets the answer on the first attempt, 2 points on the second attempt, and 1 point on the last attempt. Deduction of 1 point if contestant get the answer wrong, either on the first, second, or third attempt. So what it means is that you are using the bell before you, right? So when I'm reading a question and you know the answer, you can decide not to let me finish the question, but press. And you have to press until you are called to answer. If you press and release, I'm sorry, you won't be called. I hope it's clear. All right. Any substitution? Okay, so at the end of round 1, by all means, Academy had 12 points. Coral Bells Montessori had 15 points. And Emmanuel Royal Academy had 17 points. Now listen to the rules again. We have 12 questions, speed race. It is not a major question. It's a speed race round. If I'm reading a question and you know the answer, just press the bell and press until you are called. Look here. I hope it's clear. Huh? The first to be pressed, you are the one going to be called. If you are called and you answer and you get it correct, you are the first plus 3. If you are the second, plus 2. If you are the third, plus 1. And any of these attempts, if you get it wrong, minus 1. Are you ready to go? All right. Let's be quiet. So the first one. The sun is a star that is at the center of the solar system. The sun is a star that is at the center of the solar system. Coral Bells. Yes, talk, Coral Bells. Talk. No idea. No idea. So -1. Corabels. So -1 to Corabels. So you are out of it, of this question. So by all means, and then Emmanuel Royal. Listen to the question again. Listen to the way I read it. The way I read it will tell you that I am not done. Huh? So the sun is a star that is at the center of the solar system. Mention the gases in which the sun is mostly made up of. By all means.
Nitrogen. Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. No.
Hydrogen.
No, we have only one attempt. So -1. Emmanuel Royal. You are not pressing, right? All right. So the gases that made up the sun at the center of the star is hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. Next one. Briefly explain why carbon dioxide is commonly used in fire extinguisher. Emmanuel Royal.
Because carbon dioxide does not support burning.
And that is correct. The next one. Evaluate 0.26 minus 0.1. Evaluate 0.26 minus 0.1. Corabels.
0.16.
And that is correct. The next one. What is the Roman numeral? What is the Roman numeral for 325? 325. Crab bells.
CCCXXV.
And that is +3. Next one. Which organ of the digestive system is responsible for storing bile? By all means.
Gallbladder.
And that is correct for 3 points. The next one. The condensed form of atmospheric moisture consisting of small water droplets or tiny ice crystal. Emmanuel Royal.
Cloud.
And that is correct. The next one. Differentiates between pollution and pollutant. Differentiates between pollution and pollutant. Time up. So pollution is the process of destroying or contaminating the environment. Whereas pollutants are the harmful substances that make the environment dirty or unsafe. Next one. Simplify 36/48 in its lowest term. By all means.
3/4.
And that is correct. Next one. If n is to 5 equals 9 is to 15. If n is to 5 is equal to 9 is to 15. Is that one person? Who? Emmanuel Royal.
N is to 3.
N is equal to 3. And that is correct. Next one. Silent, please. The process of turning water vapor into drops of water, by all means.
Evaporation.
Evaporation is -1. Off it. Who's present? Emmanuel Royal.
Condensation.
And that is correct. Praise, let me see. Hello. Let's continue. Look here. I've told you already. Listen and listen attentively. I've told you already. The machine there is not a recorder. It's not a recorder. If you press until you are called. If you press and release, and the next one press, the next one is the one going to show. So kindly press until it. And listen, facilitators around. If someone is pressing, there is no way the other person or a different school will press and it will show. So that is it. You should understand that. Next one. There are 72 students in a class. Out of this, there are 38 boys in the class. Find the ratio of boys to girls in the class. There are 72 students in a class, 38 boys. Find the ratio of boys to girls in the class. Time up. So it's 19 is to 17. 19 is to 17. The last question. Simplify. 7y minus 2k plus 9. Wait. Okay.
7y minus 2k plus 9.
Minus 1. Who is present? By all means.
7y
minus 1. Are you present? So listen. Simplify. 7y minus 2k plus 9. Given that y is equal to 2 and k is equal to 5. Simplify. 7y minus 2k equals to plus 9. 7y minus 2k plus 9. Given that y equals to 2 and then k is equal to 5.
-34.
Minus 1 is 13. That is the end of round 2. Any substitution? We are moving on to problem of the day. Problem of the day. You clap for them, students. Any substitution? At the end of round 2, By all means, Academy had 3 points. Cora Bell's Montessori School had 4 points. And then Emmanuel Royal Academy had 10 points. All right, so I'm going to read the question. Put your pen down, pens down. I'm going to read a question to you. Make sure what is before you, what you have there, is the same as what I have here. All right. So the problem of the day is a science problem. The diagram below shows an illustration of a cycle. Study the diagram carefully and use it to answer the questions that follow. Oh, it's the same, right? So there's a diagram. Now, I says, name the cycle above. I says, mention parts or stages labeled I. Explain the stage label I. And then IV. State 2 importance of cycle above. State 2 importance of the cycle above. And then the last question, mention any 2 stages which are involved in the cycle above, apart from I, and IV. Do you get the question? I hope it's the same thing, right? Pens down. You are using 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So timekeeper, if you are ready, start work. You are answering it at the back. Start work. substitution. We're moving on to the true or false round. Any substitution? No substitution. All right, then we move on to the round 4. There are 6 sets of questions. Each set has 3 questions. So 18 questions. Correct answer plus 2, wrong minus 1. Questions are not transferable. It can only be transferred whereby a school chooses not to answer the question. I hope it's clear. All right. Silent, please. Set 1 by All Means Academy. The gall bladder excretes bile. True or false?
True.
Minus 1. It's a false statement. Bells. The liver is an excretory product. True or false?
True.
Minus 1. It's an organ, not a product. Emmanuel Royal. Nephritis is an excretory disease. True or false? Nephritis is an excretory disease. True or false?
True.
Speak louder.
True.
True is correct. So the correct word is nephritis or something, that disease. Yes. Sorry. Back to you, by all means. Mango has a taproot system. True or false? Mango has a taproot system.
True.
And that is correct. Bells Montessori. Fibrous root has no main root. True or false?
True.
And that is correct. Emmanuel Royal. Rice possesses a taproot system. Rice possesses a taproot system. True or false?
False.
That is correct. Another set of questions. By all means. Look here. Don't look at anyone. Look here. 24 has 8 factors. 24 has 8 factors. True or false?
False.
False is minus 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So it's 8 factors. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Bells, true or false? The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. True or false?
True.
True is correct. Emmanuel Royal. Emmanuel Royal. When the number 24,168 is round to the nearest thousands, the answer is 24,100. When the number 24,168 is round to the nearest thousand, the answer is 24,100. True or false?
False.
False is correct. By all means, academy. XC. XC is less than XCI. True or false?
False.
-1. It's a true statement. Corabels. L is greater than C. True or false?
False.
False is correct. Emmanuel Royal. XCVI. XCVI is greater than LXXII. True or false?
True.
True is correct. Another set of questions. Filtration can be used to separate immiscible liquids. True or false? By all means. Filtration.
False.
False is correct. When a solid substance completely dissolved to form a mixture, the mixture formed is called as a solution. True or false?
True.
True is correct. Solvent dissolves solute. Emmanuel Royal, true or false? Solvent dissolves solute. True or false?
True.
True is correct. The last set of questions. By all means, your last question. The perimeter of a triangle with sides x and y, x, y, and z. The perimeter of a triangle with sides x, y, and z is x times y times z. True or false?
True.
True is wrong. It's rather x plus y plus z, not times. Corabels. The area of a cube with the size 2p is equal to 8p. True or false? The area of a cube with a size 2p is equal to the side 8p. True or false?
True.
True is -1. It's rather 4p squared. The last question. If a triangle has a base of 2 and a height of x, then the area of the triangle is 2x squared. True or false?
False.
False is correct. That is the end of the contest. This is the Kwabre Each Science and Maths Quiz quarterfinal stages, contest 1 of day 1. We had 3 schools, very interesting contests. Clap for them. Give them all. Clap for them. I appreciate them. Contestants, we've done so much well. Huh? Yes, you've done so pretty well. You are super today. But you shouldn't let it end here. There are more days ahead, more competition ahead. Right? So just keep the fire burning. Thank you so much. After this, as we wait for our score master, we have another contest. We have another contest, and that is contest 2 for the day. So we are waiting for you, our score master. So let's listen to the results for round 3, problem of the day. The final results for round 3, problem of the day. So at the end of the problem of the day, by all means, Academy had 7 over 10. Coral Bells Montessori had 7 over 10. And then Emmanuel Royal Academy had 9 over 10. For round 4, listen to the results for round 4. That's the true or false round. By all means, Academy had 0 marks. Coral Bells Montessori had 6 marks. And then Emmanuel Royal Academy had 12 points. So we are waiting for the final results. Then we call it a day. The Kwabre East Science Shaman's Quiz is organized by Our Lady of Grace Senior High School. It is powered by the Member of Parliament for Kwabre East Municipal, Honorable Onyina Kwesi Jemfi Echampon. We have the Municipal Chief Executive, MCE, Honorable Joseph Amankwa. We have the Chief of Mampontain, Nana Sasi Ayebiafo. And we also have some prominent people in the municipality, of which their names they don't want us to mention. This program or this competition is powered or it is sponsored by Our Lady of Grace Senior High School. And then also we have Best Brain Publications Limited, located at Pankrono, behind La Posada Hotel. All right, so the result is in here. Let's listen to the final results. But let it be known that at this stage, that is the quarterfinal stage, the winner of the contest, the winner in the contest will qualify. Then the second place school, you wait until the end of the stages, you compare the list, and then we find out the highest marks. 3 schools will join or have the chance to also qualify. So students become, if you become second or become, but if you become third, no matter the points, you're out. But if you become second, become, it's not over yet. Facilitators become, it is not over yet. But for the first school, it's done deal. You can go home and jubilate. All right. So at the end of the contest, the first school had 48 points. The second school had 32 points. And the third school had 22 points. So listen. The hall is too much noise. Listen. Contestants from By All Means Academy, students from By All Means Academy, facilitators from By All Means Academy, I wish you all the best of luck. It is over, right? But it's not over. Just go home and prepare. It's over, but it's not over. Go home and prepare. But it is over for this year's competition. It is over. We are not going to meet By All Means again anywhere in the upcoming stages. So By All Means Academy, you are the third place school of this contest. You had 22 points. Now for contestants from Coral Bells, I cannot say that much, but you need prayers. You had 32 points, you placed second, and you have the chance to qualify. So you should stay around. Tomorrow you should be here and you should be praying. I hope it's clear. So you are the second place school of the contest, but it is not over yet. For this year's contest, for this year's competition, it is not over. Alright. So I hereby declare Emmanuel Royal Academy as the champions of today's contest. They had 48 points and they've automatically qualified to the semi-final stages of the Kwabre Science and Maths Quiz. So contestants from Emmanuel Royal, you were very super today. Congratulations to you. You've done so much well. See you again next week. And we wish you all the best of luck. Thank you so much. A very big thanks to all the teachers around here, students present. We thank you so much. We bring the contest one for today to an end. So contestants, you cheer up. It's over it. By all means, calm down. Calm down. Choral bells, you should stay behind watching. Stand by. Be stand by and watching. For Emmanuel Royal, you've qualified. Thank you so much. We are done for the day. You can leave us on stage. So next contest. Modern Bridge Montessori School versus Aguna Presbyterian Primary and Susanna Wesley International School. Next contest.